The International Space Station, ISS, is a collaborative project involving multiple countries and space agencies, designed as a space laboratory for scientific research and experiments in microgravity. It was initiated in the 1980s and launched in phases, with the first module, Zarya, being launched on November 20, 1998. The ISS is a symbol of international cooperation in space exploration and research. Key milestones in the creation. 1984. US President Ronald Reagan proposes the development of a permanently inhabited space station as a collaborative project. 1993. The project is expanded into an international venture with significant contributions from Russia, Europe, Canada, and Japan. The Russian Space Agency's involvement marked the integration of their Mir-2 program into the ISS. 1998. The first component, Zarya, Russian module, is launched into orbit, followed by various modules from NASA and other partners. Funding and ownership. The ISS was funded by a coalition of space agencies: NASA, United States; Roscosmos, Russia; ESA, European Space Agency; JAXA, Japan Aerospace Exploration Agency; CSA, Canadian Space Agency. The construction costs are estimated at around $150 billion. Ownership. The ISS is not owned by a single nation or organisation. Instead, it is governed by intergovernmental agreements between the participating countries. Each country owns the modules and equipment they contributed to the station. Operations. The ISS is operated collaboratively by the space agencies mentioned above. It serves as a shared facility where different countries conduct experiments, host astronauts, and test technologies. NASA oversees operations from the Johnson Space Center in Houston. Roscosmos operates from Mission Control Center in Moscow. Other space agencies manage operations from their own control centers. Functions of the ISS scientific research. Conducts experiments in fields like biology, physics, astronomy, materials science, and space medicine, benefiting from the microgravity environment. Technology development. Tests technologies that are crucial for future long-duration missions, such as those to Mars or deep space. International collaboration. Acts as a platform for international cooperation and diplomacy in space exploration. Education. Engages the public and students around the world in STEM education by providing opportunities for outreach and learning. Earth observation. Studies Earth's atmosphere, climate, and environmental changes from orbit. Expected lifespan. Originally, the ISS was planned to operate until 2020, but its service has been extended multiple times. The current goal is to keep it operational until at least 2030, though this may be reassessed based on maintenance and technological developments. Post-2030, the ISS may be deorbited, commercialized, or replaced by other stations, depending on international agreements and technological needs.